Want to create a YouTube channel banner that makes your channel stand out and showcase your brand? Having a banner can instantly elevate your channel, giving your viewers a clear idea of who you are and what your channel is all about. And here's the exciting part. You don't need Photoshop, design skills, or even a computer to make it happen. In this video, I'll show you how you can create stunning, fully customized YouTube banner step by step just by using your smartphone. And yes, it's completely free. If you like to follow this video in Hindi, you can click here to watch it. So if you're ready to make your channel look professional and build your brand effortlessly, stick around till the end. This is Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. To create a YouTube banner, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to install Canva on your mobile. Canva is a popular free design app that offers professional templates and easy to use editing tools. It's perfect for creating YouTube banners even if you don't have any design experience. So to install Canva, just open the Play Store or the App Store on your mobile. Search for Canva and click install. As you can see, Canva is installed on your mobile device. Let's open it and then sign in with your Google account. Once you have done that, let's go to step 2, which is to choose a template for your banner. To choose the template, here search for YouTube banner and you will get a lot of YouTube banner templates. You can select the one you like. I'm going to choose this one and it will be added here. Once you've selected the banner, let's go to step 3, which is to customize the banner. In this step, we're going to customize the banner based on your YouTube channel. So first, I'm going to remove this image and add any image here. Just click on the image, click on the delete button, and it will be removed. Now, this is the image that I'm going to add to the banner. If your image has a background, you need to remove it before adding it to the template. As you can see, the image has a background. So to remove the background, open the browser and go to remove.bg. Now this is a free AI tool that will automatically remove backgrounds from images. Now to remove the background from this image, click upload image, select your image, and you can see that the background has been removed in just a few seconds. Now click download, then again click download, and the image will be saved to your phone. Okay, now that we remove the background from the image, let's go back to Canva, scroll the edit options, click upload, then go to upload files and select this image. Now click here and it will be added to the banner. You can just adjust the image size like this and place it wherever you want. Now we've changed the image, so next let's change the text to match our channel. Just click on this text box, click edit and enter the text you want. I'm going to type the name of my channel and you can adjust the size or the font if needed. To change the font size or style, just tap on the text and you can use these options to customize it. So in the same way, you can change all the text on the banner. Now if you want to add a new text to your banner, scroll the edit options, go to the text option here, then click add a text box. Now click edit and enter the text you want. Okay, you can arrange the elements by dragging it like this. And if you want to remove any elements from here, you can just click on the one you want to remove, then click on the delete icon and it will be removed. To make your banner even more personalized, you can change the colors or add icons and graphics. To change any color, click on the element you want to update, go to the color option, select the color you like. And if you want to add some extra elements, go to element section, search for the graphics related to your channel. So I'm going to search for food and you'll get a list of elements related to food. Select the one you like, resize it and place it where you want. In the same way, you can add multiple elements to enhance your banner. So I'm going to add a few more elements and alright. So now we've customized the banner and this is how it looks.
Okay guys, before we move on, let me show you a tool that will be a huge time saver if you're looking to write blogs. It's called Gravity Write. Just enter your title, click create outline and you've got an outline. Hit generate all and in seconds, you've got a complete blog with stunning images. Visit gravitywrite.com and get it for 1 full year at just $97.
Now our banner is ready. So let's go ahead and download it. Click on the download button at the top and it will be saved to your phone's gallery. Okay, so now we have successfully created the banner. Next, let's see how you can add the banner to your YouTube channel. Open YouTube on your phone. Then go here and click View Channel. Now click here. Then click on the camera icon. Select Choose from Photos and choose the banner which you created. Here you can see how your banner will look on different devices. So to add this banner, click Save. And as you can see, the banner has been added to your YouTube channel. So that's it, guys. This is how you can create the YouTube banner using your own smartphone. And before you go, don't forget to check out GravityWrite for creating your YouTube content and WebSpace Kit for building your professional website. The links are in the description below, and Website Learners viewers get a 10% off. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to Website Learners to see more videos from us. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.